It all started from a day when I was overwhelmed by my homework. God, all this math homework. So tired. And yet, I have my first Qur'an lesson too. If only there was an easier way to learn Qur'an. Oh yeah. What was that prayer the Ustaza told us about?
O Allah, make the Qur'an the spring of my heart, and the light of my chest, and the remover of my sorrow, and the bearer of my worries.
What was that noise? My Qur'an. Bismillah. Han. Scan your fingerprint.
Assalamu alaikum Noor.
What the? Who are you?
I am HIDAIA, holistic interactive discoverer and artificially intelligent assistant.
HIDAIA. As in, guidance. What are you here for?
I am here to take you to the wonderful world of Qur'an, so you can become a Qur'an explorer.
A Qur'an explorer? Wow. How is it possible? Am I dreaming?
This is not a dream. I am just a figment of your imagination. An avatar built by your subconscious mind to comprehend the Qur'an lessons you are taking from your Ustaza.
Awesome. How do we start then?
Say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Okay. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Fasten your seatbelts, Noor. We are about to enter the wonderful world of Qur'an. Here you will find creative ways to discover the wonders of Qur'an and become a Qur'an explorer. There are countless interfaces created by your mind, in an attempt to understand better. Here we are. The interface for your first Qur'an lesson.
Yay! Look! I can fly.
You can do whatever you imagine here, Noor. This world is only limited by your imagination. Now what have we in here? Oh yes. The word everything starts with Bismillah. Simply put, Bismillah means in the name of Allah.
Awesome. What do these components mean, HIDAIA?
B is a prefix. It means with, or by. As for ism, its root words are sin mim wow. Almost every word in Arabic has a 3 or 4 lettered root word.
Sin mim wow. What are these letters used for?
Let's go find out. Usually, there are several meanings of a root word. The first meaning of sin mim wow is the top of something. Another meaning is similar in nature, that is sky or rain. Finally, it is also used for the name of something.
Oh God! How are all these meanings related?
Interesting question, Noor. See here, there is something common in these meanings. The sky is at the top of our atmosphere. Also, a name is given to something to elevate its position, to acknowledge its worth in our lives.
Wow, subhanallah.
So tell me now, Noor. What do you think this means?
With the name. Isn't it?
Exactly. Let's proceed to the next one. The next part is the name of Allah. Allah is a proper noun that is used for the Almighty, the one true God.
But, doesn't it have a root word?
A popular misconception is that it is derived from Hamza, Lam and Ha, meaning deity or God. But in fact it is an exclusive name chosen by the Almighty for himself.
I see. So Bismillah means with the name of Allah. Doesn't it sound incomplete?
That is a wonderful observation, Noor. Bismillah is an incomplete phrase. That is completed by taking an action. One should say Bismillah before eating, donning clothes, writing and before pretty much every action. Saying Bismillah puts Allah's blessings in our actions.
So in summary, Bismillah means in all with the name of Allah. It is not a complete sentence, rather it is completed by an action. And we should say Bismillah so that Allah may put blessings in every action we do. Am I right?
Very good, Noor. You have grasped the concepts very quickly. Now today's task is complete. Do you want to head back to your room?
Yes. I'm so excited to share this with my family and friends.
Let's go then.
That was my first day as a Qur'an explorer. If you want to learn about more adventures, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. See you then. Allah Hafiz. Oh boy, I'm so excited to take my second lesson of the Qur'an. I had so much fun learning about Bismillah. Check the link above if you have not watched the first episode. Let us open our Qur'an and find out what it has in store for us today. Here we go.
Assalamu alaikum, Noor. Welcome back.
Walaikum assalam, HIDAIA. I am so excited to see you.
Are you ready for your next adventure as a Qur'an explorer?
Of course. Let's go.
Say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Okay. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Fasten your seatbelts, Noor. We are about to enter the wonderful world of Qur'an.
Wow. This is amazing.
Isn't it? Let's see what we should be learning today. Here we are, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. The second part of Bismillah.
Aren't these also the names of Allah?
Yes, Noor. These are two of the attributive names of Allah. An attributive name means that it shows a characteristic of someone, while Allah is the specific unique name for the Almighty. Now roughly translating, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim mean, the most compassionate, most merciful. Now, if we remove the al from these names we get the common names. Al, by the way, has the same meaning as the word the in English.
Oh, I see. But I didn't understand the words Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim properly. Why do they appear similar to me?
They appear similar to you because both of these have the same root word. Ra-Ha-Mim. Let's go explore it. Ra-Ha-Mim basically means the womb of the mother, signifying the unconditional and pure love a mother has for her child. So in extension, Ram means to love someone, being kind to them, forgive them, bless them, protect them, and guide them towards the right path.
Wow. One root word means all of this.
Amazing, isn't it? This is the beauty of Arabic language. You can express so much with only one word.
Yes, that is super amazing. But if Rahman and Rahim have the same root word, then why are they used separately?
To understand this, we need to understand what is a wazn. Let's talk to it.
Hello, Noor. I am a was.
Oh hi. How are you? And, what are you?
Literally, I mean, oh wait. I am like a machine or a mold. When a root word is put inside me, I change its structure by adding one or two letters. In this way, the meaning of a root word are modified too.
Can you explain it a bit more?
Yes, of course. In fact, let me demonstrate how I work. For example, if I take the form of full-on, I will convert Ra-Ha-Mim into Rahman.
In this form, the word has a meaning of exaggeration. That is to say that Rahman is someone who is gracious to the extreme.
Similarly, if I take the form of Fa'il, I will convert Ra-Ha-Mim into Rahim.
In this form, the word means that someone is continuously, constantly kind to others. That is to say that Allah is not merciful one day and blesses you with life and the other day, He forgets you or abandons you. No, He is always there to take care of you and everything He does is a form of mercy.
Wow, that was amazing knowledge. Thank you so much, Wazan.
Anytime, Noor.
That is the end of today's lesson. Shall we go back to your room, Noor?
Ahan. Let's go share this with everyone else. I learned a lot today, did you too? Let me know in the comments box. And don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.